Hey guys, it's Mandeep again, and this is a follow-up video on the one that I did earlier today that showed you how to take a look at the market internals and take advantage of those. So let's dive right into it, and we'll take a look at the market internals again, which is the dashboard that I talk about and why I think it's the most fundamental tool that you need if you're going to do short-term trading or even day trading, right? Because this one really helps you out to nail what the levels are as far as trading is concerned. So one of the things that we looked at in the morning was that the breadth of the market when we talked in the first video, the ratio was 1 to 1.5. So for every one issue that was declining, 1.5 issues, right, were going up. So that was something that you'll see in part one of the video. Now, what we see here, and once it refreshes, I don't know why this thing is so slow, but I think maybe because I'm running the screen flow to record, it makes it a tad slower, right? But I want this screen to refresh so we can take a look at what the internals look like at this point in time. Now, just so 10 or 15 minutes ago, this ratio had actually turned 5 to 1. In other words, five issues were advancing for every one declining, and likewise a similar scenario happened in the Nasdaq as well, right? And we talked a little bit about the histogram. The histogram has actually gone up through the day, but the most interesting chart is the one on the ES. And let me maximize this, and I'll show you what I mean. So we talked about this side. We talked about these levels in part one of the video. The pink line is the overnight high, and this green line is the regular trading high, and this is the overnight low. So I mentioned as the market opened, I was a little bit long here, right, on the SPY calls, and as it started to go down, I didn't really, I didn't get spooked or take them off because my best guess was that, we'll stop around this area, which overshot a little bit, and then went up. But here's what happened, right? It basically then got stuck, which is what I was talking in part one of the video as well, at around this place, which was yesterday's regular trading high, right? So finally, when it took it off, which was a good sign, we hit this value, which is yesterday's high, and that's where you had this big drop down again. Now we still have um, another 45 minutes to go. Excuse me, and we'll see where it ends up. But in my case, a lot of the long positions that I shared in the room, right, I started to peel them off right around here, right, which was the overnight high. So we'll see where the market ends up. And I just wanted to share with you the specific, these specific levels and show you how sometimes these are so mechanical. Perhaps all the algorithms have these pre-programmed and they start to sell at this point, so on and so forth, right? Thank you.